Hello guys, welcome back on my channel. Today I'm going to show you another new AI feature on Canva called Design for Me. With this application or with this feature, we can ask lots of things for Canva to design for us, like Facebook posts, presentations, documents, and lots of other things. And now in this presentation, I'm going to show you this. But before we dive into the tutorial, I have a quick favor to ask. If you like my content and find it valuable, please take a moment to hit the small like button and subscribe to my channel, as it really helps to keep creating content for you. Thanks, and now let's get started. So we are starting in the main page of the Canva, and here we have this new function, canvaai. If we click on it, we already find the new functions: design for me, create an image, draft a doc, and code for me. This Canva code, I already created a presentation about it, a tutorial about it, so you can find it in this playlist. But now we are focusing the design for me. If I click on it, I can choose lots of things like social media presentation, marketing stuff, cards and invitations, logo, or learn more. That means this is a kind of help function. But if I click on a social media, I can choose the format. Like I choose a Facebook post, or not, creating an Instagram post. So, design an Instagram post, thing, the latest Canva features from the keynote. Okay, I just asked for the design, and now the AI will create these Instagram posts for us, highlighting the latest Canva features from the keynote. Still working on it. You see that I already created some designs. I use this. Here we can already change the images, change the text, change anything, like even we can change the color, like a color palette. Or we can use the Canva editor. So in this case, the AI uploading the design to the editor part. And here we can change whatever we want as in a normal editor. And this is so easy, and the Canva can create for us lots of different things. This is good for kind of own template. So in this case, we do not have to use the already built templates in a Canva. Then we can ask the AI to create for us. Then in this case, this will be kind of unique, not anyone else have it. Then of course we can modify it if as a wish. So even if we would like to use it for a different aspect, we can add a logo, we can change everything, anything, image, text, colors, whatever we want. But this is really good for brainstorming or just get some ideas if we have something in our mind. And of course, these prompts can be more detailed, and if you have more detailed, more narrow prompt, the design will be closer what we really want. And if you like it, you can use it directly, or if you don't like it, you can modify it. So that's also a pretty cool feature in the Canva. But now this tutorial is going to the end. Hope so you like it. If you really like it, please do not forget to hit that small like button, subscribe to my channel, leave comment in a comment section if you're struggling anything in a Canva or if you miss anything from this tutorial. Please also visit my Facebook page where you can find lots of another Canva tutorials, not only from me, also from another great Canva experts. Plus, you can find a bunch of text to image generation prompts for different kind of AI applications. So if you also interested on that area, please feel free to check my Facebook page. You can find the link in the description. But now this tutorial really going to the end. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one. Ciao.